Let's look at environmental issues that cause ill health. The environment is created for human beings to be happy and live a healthy lifestyle. It is important for us as human beings to protect and look after the environment. Environmental issues has become part of our daily lives, and we need to know what they are and how we are going to fix them. The use of harmful substances in food production. Cultures throughout time has used food to prevent and treat diseases in their daily lives. Now, research has found that certain food can cause diseases. While you cannot always control what you eat, it is a good idea to avoid potentially harmful food. I know most people, or most of us, enjoy food that's cooked in a restaurant or that is processed in a factory. But fresh food cooked at home are usually more nutritious, safer, and cheaper than the food that have been made or processed in a factory or cooked in a restaurant. Food that is grown at home or on a nearby farm is the best choice. Growing fruits and vegetables and raising livestock is becoming a lifestyle trend and is probably one of the best things that can be done to protect our health. Food that is made or processed in a factory is often changed by having harmful ingredients added. This is done to bulk them up, to reduce their cost, and to increase their shelf life. Now, how do harmful substances get into our food? It gets to our food through production. And there are 5 stages of production before the food can get to us or before it can reach us. What are the 5 stages of productions that we have? Is primary production, is processing, is packaging, transporting, and selling. Now, we are going to look at each of these stages in detail. Primary production. When the animals are given food, they also give them antibiotic medicines and growth hormones. The crops are influenced when chemical fertilizers are spread on the fields. Pesticides are sprayed on the crops. Water and air is polluted by factories and towns. Processing. When the food is prepared for sale at the factory, chemical substances or additives are put into the food to make it more tasteful and attractive. Example, food coloring. Or to keep it look fresh longer by adding sodium benzoate or sodium nitrate. Additives don't necessarily improve the nutritional value of the food. Thus, it may cause allergic reactions like hay fever, asthma, or itching for some people. Packaging. Metal cans, printed cardboard boxes, plastic containers, and plastic wrappings are often used, and this sometimes contain harmful biological, chemical, and physical substances that can enter the food, which will be harmful for human beings. Storing and transporting. Warehouses that is dirty, inadequate refrigeration, inefficient distribution, and handling of food products contributes to the decline and contamination of food products. And the last one is selling. Unhygienic display of food, fridges that is not working properly, and displaying food in the open for too long, not covering them, will cause harmful bacteria and viruses to develop in the food. Now, please do activity 1 and activity 2 in your books.